So guys, here's day 2 as well as halt number 2, which is Nagarshore. So here our train finally departs Rotegaon. So today's first halt of the day. HM wishes you a very happy wala morning from Maharashtra. So there's our luggage being unloaded, and that's the Hotel Yogi Raj. So if I give some of the information about the train, so so it is the Sainagar Shirdi Express, and the timings for its start is 4:10 p.m. and we will be reaching Sainagar Shirdi terminus by next day the morning 9:10 a.m. So it is around 17 hours of journey, and total distance to be covered is around 775 kilometers. गैस बनी हमें गॉगल्स पिन चुट्टी ठीक करना जबरदस्त पहाड़ है देख अजीब सिर्फ घर रास्ता कर देखो सीमेंट घर चढ़वा मुश्किल है हाँ बुले बुले है इस तरह से राउंड राउंड देखो रोड ऑफिस किछुटा अछि ना घर अछि पूरा पीक आरा पहाड़ भी कंटिन्यू So just now I was relaxing, so just taking a short nap, and nothing else to show outside as it's getting dark, as you can see. So just now crossed Vikarabad. So here our train finally departs Rotegaon. So today's first halt of the day. HM wishes you a very happy wala morning from Maharashtra. After a delay of about half an hour in this railway station, as you can see, our train finally departs. More max to max 100 kilometers to go more. So guys, as you can see here, we skip Kanegaon railway station, and most probably next halt gonna be the final halt, our final destination, that is Sainagar Shirdi terminus. So guys, here's day 2 as well as halt number 2, which is Nagarsul. Time 7:21 AM. As you can see how clean is the railway station platform, properly maintained. And here we make a halt. So here as you can see, the Vasco da Gama Hazrat Nizamuddin, that is Goa Rajdhani Express on the other tracks. Looking very beautiful in red color. And these are the sleeper classes. These are general classes. Just see the condition, guys. So poor condition. And there finishes the train. These are the parcel vans. So finally we arrive at our final destination, that is the Sainagar Shirdi terminus. And here's one more train, that is the Howrah Sainagar Shirdi Weekly Express on the other track, as you can see. So there's our luggage being unloaded, and that's the Hotel Yogi Raj. So this hotel we have booked for today's night stay over here. So let's check in and get into. So here's somewhat the view of the corridor of the Hotel Yoginath, and we are staying over here, and our room number is around 110. Nice and beautiful maintenance of the corridors, as you can see. As of now, we are heading towards the Shirdi temple, which is quite nearby, around 600 meters. There are the stairs, and here's the lift. After exploring the corridor, as of we enter into the room, so it is around 2-star room, and yeah, around so as you can see, 2x1 combination of bed has been provided over here. You can see a mirror over there. Hi. And if talk about the toilet, so well maintained toilet, as you can see over here. Well maintained. Use